everyone, welcome to my channel. For this week I wanted to try out a new style of phone case. Unlike the usual phone cases available, this one is an art journal on the phone. We are all so obsessed with our phones and phone cases, so why not personalize them? They are so affordable and you can make them in so many styles of skin using just one clear case. So let's get started. Starting off with this clear case, I am tracing it on a piece of white paper and then cutting it out. Next, I am going to paint it with the portrait pink acrylic color with a sponge applicator. To add some texture, I thought I'll use some gold acrylic and brush it all over the case. Now I'm going to let it dry for a few hours. To add elements of the art journal, I wrote a nice quote on a piece of brown paper. Next, I'm going to add some floral elements to the case. Because my art journal is inspired by the nature, so I'm going to draw some wild flowers and leaves here and there in the cover. Next, we'll add some bling with some sequins. I added some gold and some pink sequins. Your drawing need not be perfect. You can take inspiration from Pinterest or just download some pictures of floral art and yeah, you can just start sketching it. Next, we'll put the skin into the clear case and your art journal phone case is ready. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Also hit the bell icon to get notified. And till then, stay creative. Thank you. Bye-bye.